Are you okay? The car.
Huh?
The car is going cuckoo. 반짝. Like it? Hi, bye. 이렇게 맞아? I love you. Is it in an airplane here? Do you want to sit down?
Oh, okay. You won't be able to pull me.
But then maybe downhill.
Try sitting the other way.
Panchagi doesn't like it.
Hi. Are you just sledding a little bit? Are you having fun? Hi, buddy. He's like, I don't want to stand in the snow.
Yeah, he's like, I'm comfy here.
Okay, if you want to stay, I can pull you guys back uphill.
Let's see if he get down. He doesn't wanna. Or just do you wanna try and pull it? If
Yeah, sure.
see if it comes to me, or
I'm gonna spin you guys around.
I guess he likes it here.
There's a bunch of snow in there now.
Yeah, he doesn't want.
No? That way?
Come back, Panchag, come here.
These are cold. You little beans.
Little beans, I don't want you to get freeze bite.
Why are you going over here?
I think he wanna hide,
Yeah?
isn't he? Let's get inside. It's too cold. Hi. Look at you.
Get back in the sled and get cold.
He's so cute. He's so freezing. Hello.
How are your totos? How are your totos?